welcome to my next video. In this video, we will be talking about life insurance. Do you need life insurance? If you do need life insurance, what kind of life insurance should you get? How much life insurance should you get? If you do need life insurance, are there any alternatives to going out and paying for life insurance? All good questions. But first, what I say in this video is based upon my education, my life experiences, and my set of values. What I say is for typical people in typical situations. It is not for all people in all situations. If it was, this video would be hours or even days long. My goal and hope is that by the end of this video, you will know more about life insurance so that you can make better decisions for your life. Do you need life insurance? Maybe. Does anyone depend on you? Do you provide financial or other support for someone else? If no one depends on you, you probably do not need life insurance. If people do depend on you, you probably do need to consider life insurance. Notice I said consider. I did not say you absolutely need to buy. Now, if you're part of a couple where one of you stays home and raises small children and the other works full-time outside the home, who needs to consider life insurance in that couple? Both of you. If you are the person working outside the home full-time, you are obviously providing financial or other support for your mate and your small children. It's pretty clear you need to consider life insurance. But if you are the person staying home and raising the small children, you also need to consider life insurance. If you die, at a minimum, your mate is going to have to go out and hire somebody to help raise your small children. If you are considering buying life insurance, what kind of life insurance should you get? You have lots of choices. At one end of the spectrum of choices is what is called term life insurance, which is life insurance only for a set period of time, like a year. At the other end of the spectrum is what is called permanent life insurance. This goes by a lot of names like whole life insurance or variable life insurance or universal life insurance. With permanent life insurance, you get life insurance and you also have an investment. Which is better? In my opinion, most people, most of the time, would be better off if they bought term life insurance. Why? Because, again, in my opinion, if you buy permanent life insurance, which has the investment, the hidden costs and the fees on the investment part of your life insurance are usually way too high. Permanent life insurance is sometimes sold to us, and I do mean sold to us, based upon what are called policy illustrations that show great investment returns. In my opinion, these policy illustrations are usually a wee bit optimistic and normally reflect guesses and aspirational hopes. Before you buy any permanent life insurance based upon a policy illustration, you probably also want to see a policy illustration based upon the investment return the policy is actually guaranteeing you, rather than the investment return the policy hopes to get if absolutely everything goes right. Now, if you do buy life insurance, you may want to consider getting a policy that guarantees that you can renew or you can convert your policy regardless of your health in the future. Today, you may be in great health and easily insurable. In the future, who knows? I recommend that you consider only buying life insurance from insurance companies that have top ratings for their finances. You want to make sure that the life insurance company has enough money to actually pay your loved ones if you die. All insurance companies get their finances graded from third-party grading organizations such as Standard & Poor's or AM Best or Moody's. You can look up these grades online, usually with no problem. If you do decide to buy life insurance, generally you will pay less for life insurance if you buy it as part of a larger group. You might be able to purchase life insurance through your employer or maybe through an organization you already belong to or can easily join, such as a fraternal organization or an education or job-related organization. If you buy life insurance, how much life insurance should you buy? There are many rules of thumb that just basically pull numbers out of the air. The rules of thumb vary between 6 times your earnings to 10 times your earnings. These rules of thumb are probably better than nothing for many of us. But rather than using a rule of thumb, I recommend you look at how much money your survivors will actually need if you die. And also look at how much debt, if any, you want your survivors to pay down if you die. What if you decide you have a need for life insurance, but you either don't have the money or the inclination to actually buy life insurance? What if also you are interested in increasing the odds you will not die? Well, as we talked about in my video called Risks, you have 4 different ways of dealing with any risk in your life, including the risk that you will die. Only one of those 4 ways involves buying insurance, like life insurance. I'll put a link to that risks video at the end of this video if you want to check out the non-insurance ways of dealing with risk. In this video, we learn more about life insurance. If you want to learn more about money, be sure to check out my other videos and playlists. Until the next video, always remember that you are the best person in the world to decide what is important in your life. Thank you for watching. Please click the button to subscribe. I hope that you got something from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment. Please check out my channel, playlists, and other videos. Have a great day.